Hi ladies, it's me on Pink Glitter Stars here, and I did a personal glitter swap with Michi Loves Art 36. We agreed on 5 glitter mixes and 5 nail art. So let me she packaged it up really cute. Little stickers on it are cute. So let's start with her mixes. The first one's called Birthday Princess, and it's a purple pink color. And the nail art she sent with it are some iridescent stars and some iridescent mylar. The second one is this really pretty yellow mix, which doesn't have a name on it. So can you let me know what the name is so I can write it on there? Thank you. The next one is called Espresso. It's a really pretty orange-brown mix. The next mix is called Night Magic. It's a really pretty black mix, and it looks like there's purple, all kinds of other stuff in there, but it's a blue-black base. The last one is Loving Pink, and that's what it looks like. So there's all 5 of the mixes. The nail art she sent is some white stars, some purple hollow stars, some red ribbon, some blue rectangles, some purple squares, and some yellow iridescent hearts. I wanted to thank you for asking me to do that swap with you. I like everything you sent, and have a nice night.